Welcome to Cooking Bomb channel, and my name is Vivian Aronson. If this is your first time here, my channel is all about Chinese food, Asian food. Today I'm going to make this French toast roll-ups. Doesn't sound so Chinese, but I have my secret Chinese ingredients in here you will love. First one I'm making is a superfood tahini, popular this year 2019, and I'm gonna keep continuing trending next year. One of my favorite ingredients is sesame. Tahini is sesame paste, so when you put this in the French toast, I'm in heaven. Let's make this one first. Also, I will make strawberry cream cheese and chicken sausage. Medium heat, butter. If you want to see if your pan's ready to cook, just drizzle some water. When the contact sizzle, that means it's ready. Let's try this trick. Oh, that's ready. Put our French roll-ups in. Look at the color. So for the next one, we are going to make cream cheese and strawberries. Let's slice some strawberries first. Put on the sides, so easier to roll. And here, cream cheese, spread only one side. Put your strawberries on there. So pretty. Roll this over like a roll, the blanket. That little blanket here. Put in the egg mixture. Give a little bath. Let it soak for a minute. Soak all the juice. Egg juice. Smells so good. Here for me, I usually turn with chopsticks. Look at that, how easy that is. This one, chicken sausage. You can use pork sausage, any breakfast sausage. Just roll up like a blanket. Sausage is ready to jump in the bath. Get a golden brown. Look at that. Sausage is pre-cooked. You pre-cook the sausage in another pan. Can't wait to try this roll-ups. Roll, 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 roll your bowl. Look at that. Much easier with chopsticks. Huh? This is perfect. Let's cut this and see. Look at that sesame. chicken sausage. Ooh. That. And the strawberry and the cream cheese. Ooh. Look at that. So good. Smells so good. First one. Take. It tastes no peanuts in. Out of this world. Who loves a sausage with syrup and the sweets very well balanced together? I love this one. Last one, strawberry and cream cheese. This one very soft, smooth. Can taste the cream cheese and with the freshness of strawberry in there. I can pick a favorite. I love all of them. You have to try for yourself. Comment below here. Let me know what you want to see me to cook. And don't forget to smash your like button. So I see you next time.